Hello everyone. Now I practice making sounds. Rule 1. Vowel and vowel. I am. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Vision, vision, vision. She's asked, she's asked, she's asked. Do it, do it, do it. Go away, go away, go away. USA, 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 USA. Too often, too often, too often, too often, too often. So why, so why, so why? Duo, 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 duo. Rule 2, rule 2, rule 2. Consonant and consonant. I just didn't get the chance. I just didn't get the chance. I've been late twice. I've been late twice. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Take a chin, take a chin, take a chin. Cons and rule 3, rule 3. Consonant and vowel. My name is, my name is, my name is. Because I, because I, because I. LA. 902, 902, 5050, 902, 5050. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Turn over, turn over, turn over. Tell her right, mister. Tell her right, mister. Tell her right, mister. And from T and Y. What's your name? What's your name? Wouldn't you? Wouldn't you? Can't you do it? Can't you do it? Can't you do it? I need you. I need you now. I need you now. I need you now. Haven't you? Haven't you? No. 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 Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. D and Y. Y. Did you see it? Did you see it? Did you see it? How did you like it? How did you like it? How did you like it? Could you tell? Could you tell? Where did you send your check? Where did you send your check? Yes and why? Shh. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Let you. Can you rate yourself? Can you rate yourself? Lấy Jim Gasher as a car for you. For you. Lấy Jim Gasher car for you. Yes, yes, and why? How's your family? How's your family? How's your family? Who's your friend? Who's your friend? Where's your mom? Where's your mom? Where's your mom? When's your birthday? Where with the birthday? Where birthday? With your birthday? And thank you for watching. Goodbye.